Talley. I live in Carterville. I worked for about 30 years in the medical device sales industry, retired a couple of years ago, and I bought a solar system and installed it July of last year. As I learned more about the incentives through the federal tax credit and through the solar renewable energy credits through the state of Illinois, it prompted me to want to check out what the cost would be again. And when I looked at a proposal, I felt that it was more than cost justifiable and made a decision to install a system based on that. I come from a long line of coal miners and people who have made livings in industries. I've seen, my brother, for instance, worked in coal mines for years, and the guy can barely breathe. So I would love to see these jobs converted over to alternative energy jobs. I think it's a great opportunity for us to, as homeowners and business owners, to gain control of our energy costs rather than just being at the mercy of the utility company.